In this short tutorial, we'll show you how to create a print job so that the heading of each column appears on the top of each page. Now, normally, if you're like me, when I go to print out a long document, I find that I want this first row, the header or the title row, to appear every so often in the document so that when it prints, it's at the top of each page. So I don't have to go, if I'm on page 18, I don't have to go back and say, wait, what's in the third column? What's in the fourth column? Well, one way to do that is by trial and error, and you can easily right-click that row and copy, and then go down to where you think the new page break may be, or if you're looking at page break view, then you can come down here and you can insert the copied cells right there. That works, but that only works as long as you don't change any of the formatting or use different size paper. So let's show a better way than that. Let me go back to the normal layout. And if I want my title row, header row, to be on the top of every page, regardless of whether I say I want all columns to a page, or I want all rows to a page, or I want it on tabloid size paper. No, maybe I want it on legal size. Here's the way that you want to do that. Click on the Page Layout tab in your ribbon, and then go to Print Titles. Now this may look very familiar because if you go File to Print, you also call up this dialog box. The only thing is, when you go through File Print to access it, you can't change the values here. You can see what it says, but you can't click on it and it's not active. It's kind of frozen. So if I want the first row to repeat, or maybe if I wanted the top two rows, however it may be, I would just click and select those rows. So you can see here that I want the first row is selected to repeat. Beginning at the first row, ending at the first row. If I wanted a left column to repeat, if there was some data on the left-hand side that was true regardless of which page it's on, then that might be helpful. And then, of course, if you want grid lines to show, maybe you don't want to, you're not printing in color and you don't want to do banded rows, so grid lines may be beneficial for your readers. But I will stick with just this. So now I'm going to go to the print preview so we can take a look at it. Let me come over here to enlarge. Well, it is enlarged, our view. And now notice it says name of provider, and out of 72 pages, let's go over to page 9. And notice at the top, name of provider, those are at the top. So next time you have to print out a document that's extremely long, a spreadsheet that's extremely long, and you want that header row, remember to go to the Page Layout tab and click on Print Titles and make your changes under the sheet. Hope that helps.